All right, the next one is we're going to convert, and this has to do with degrees, minutes, and seconds. So we're going to convert, we're actually going to do a couple. So we've got 18 here, and it says convert into decimal degree notation. And we have 38 degrees and 38, and this is called minutes, okay? Okay, so as you might guess, the conversion's gonna be, so we're gonna take this 38 plus this 38 and divide it by 60. So taking my TI30XA, 38 divided by 60 is 0.633, so I get 38.63, and that 3 is repeating. Okay, now I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do number 20. Because it's very similar, but it's not an extra little thing. Actually, let's do 22. So we're going to convert negative 70 degrees, 18 minutes, and 33 seconds, I'm sorry, 13 seconds, into decimal degree. Okay, so of course the negative 70 is coming down. Okay, now, little bit careful. I'm not going to plus, I'm actually going to minus because I have the minus in front, but I'm going to consider this as 18 over 60, just like before, and minus since it's all negative. And now the 13 seconds. So you want to think how many seconds are in an hour? Well, instead of 60, it's going to be 3,600, 3600, 60 squared. Okay, so we're going to get, let me do this. So 18 over 60 plus 13 divided by 3600 plus 70. Okay, so I did it all in positives and then I just put a negative on front. So I'm going to get 70.30361111. Okay, and that's it. That's it for converting from minutes and seconds into the actual decimal. Okay, we can also go the other way around. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do that with 26. Okay, so we're going to convert 110.433 degrees into decimal minutes seconds. I'm sorry, degree minute seconds. Okay, so now we've got 110. That's fine. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take 0.433, and that converts into how many minutes? We're going to multiply it by 60. Okay, so when we multiply 0.433 by 60, we get 25.98. Okay, so that means we're going to get 25 minutes. Okay, now that 0.98 is going to convert into the seconds. So we're going to take 0.98 and multiply that by 60 again. And I get 58.8. And that we're going to go ahead and round up to 59. Okay, so 110.433 degrees is 110 degrees, 25 minutes, 59 seconds. Okay, let's continue. Let's do number 30. Number 30, convert from degrees to radians. Okay, so it's converting 40 degrees. Okay, so now the nice thing about converting to radians is that, I guess I don't know what's the nice thing, but converting to radians is, we remember that pi corresponds to 180. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this. We're going to take 40 and we're going to take and multiply it by pi over 180. Now we're going to leave the pi in there, okay? And we're just going to reduce the 40 over 180. So leaving the pi, the 40 over 180 reduces, and so we get 2 pi over 9. Okay, and that's just the way we write it. Okay? Plenty of space. Let's go to number 42. We're going to convert from radians to degrees, so convert to degrees. To be honest, I would never convert to degrees, but I mean, I know we've got some future engineers in here who you need that. Mathematician, physicist, we're all about the radians, okay? So we're going to convert 11 pi over 6. And it's actually not hard at all. All we have to do is, effectively, we're doing the opposite of what we did before. We took, instead of multiplying by pi over 180, we're going to multiply by 180 over pi. But that effectively comes out to just replacing the pi by 180. And that's 180 divided by 6 is 30, so that's 330 degrees. And I'm going to have a little degree mark there. Okay. All right, continuing. Okay. Let's actually call it a minute, and I'm going to go and we're going to start a new video soon. By the time the video is over, by the time you finish watching the video, the next video will be up. Okay, I'm going to a new video.